Ready to go with our main event. Event of the evening. Introducing first, fighting Israel Adesanya. Fighting out of the red corner, defending champion of the world.
Okay, Israel, good as been overall, you know exactly what I expect. Listen to the man. God bless.
Needs to be said, the words fight of this caliber and this magnitude. The incumbent Israel Adesanya.
You got to be careful when you blitz it. It doesn't take much like that. Look at that.
Ooh.
All those feints, kind of trying to see how Du Plessis
mess up the range of Du Plessis by switching.
Nice leg kick.
Fight goes on. Be very careful. He almost jumps whenever he decides to enter. Now, the one thing Izzy can't count on is important for him to kick. Oh, nice right hand. He's really good between southpaw and convention.
Twitch. Du Plessis able to match that energy.
Even dating to his UFC debut. Nice right kick.
Kick is lightning. I mean, he's so good with it. Beautiful shot.
It's a round in which both men.
Please tell me what he said.
Well, if memory are assembled on both sides after round one.
Nice. I mean, the power. You see that?
It's hard to really get a gauge. Oh!
Beautiful time. Let's see if he can defend.
He's trying to get back to his feet.
Oh, he gets the hooking right to
back. And really...
He's trying to find his way under the chin here in round two. That's big for Adesanya here. Fight on.
Nice elbow. Good work by Adesanya there.
Oh! Du Plessis working right in front of his corner.
That's why these kickboxers are ages to try to wear him down.
So no offensive wrestling from Du Plessis.
Du Plessis to keep his hands locked. He's got to attack the hand.
Keep challenging.
Abandon the back control. And then back to the chest.
All right, the South Africans wrestling league.
Enriquez attacks a rear naked choke to Wild. Just
sleep with his hands up here, right, covering.
That leaves the body open.
That'll serve Izzy well. Then he can level change to try to get to a takedown.
I love how Izzy isn't moving.
Investing in the body right now. Nice.
Oh, good left hand now. Nasty elbow from up.
Powerful left hook.
Oh, another one.
Oh!
He was hit so hard.
Yeah, you could see it.
Oh, nice right hand. That happens with southpaw conventional.
Yep.
Able to land on the counter.
Nice left hook from Didi.
To go round three. Push there by Du Plessis.
Nice uppercut.
It's so amazing to watch two completely different styles.
Man, he lunges into the
championship rounds. Fourth. Beautiful uppercut. And there's the body work from the Stylebender. Back to the wrestling here in round four. Again, working that.
Stylebender's very dangerous. At all, Adesanya is doing damage. That is...
Enriquez can't get any takedowns.
Lead uppercut and back uppercut. And that's really helping him out.
You will find success. You just can't stay back. Enriquez is going forward and he's finding more success.
Nice
center of the octagon.
Oh!
He hurt him with that one bad.
No.
Little Max Holloway downward point, big right, drags Adesanya down.
Straight to throwing one hook in.
Duplessis.
He
Remains the man at 180
Got it done. You saw him close to that early in the fight. And
for the middleweight king.
double jab. Oh, another right hook. And another. And starts chasing the shoulder. He almost had this in the second round.
Yeah.
It's a little harder to do. And then Drake was forced to tap.
That he had Adesanya hurt from those shots he landed. Hooks it in, gets both hooks in, and finishes the fight.
Had it all for Dricus Duplessis. Dricus Duplessis now 20 fights over.
Gentlemen, referee Mark Goddard has called a stop to this.